Experimental bowling ball mortar, shot number 1. Well, that's 200, and there's the ball. Let's see, 1, 22 paces past 200 yards. This is shot number 2. First shot was 15 paces past 200 yards. The ball rolled a little bit, so here we go. Okay, this one's 17 paces past 200 yards. There it is, the hole it made, and there's where it rolled. And over here is the 15 paces past 200 yards hole, and it rolled out to about 220. Okay, shot number 3, 3.5 ounces of powder. Okay, the last shot was actually, it hit right back here. It was right at 200 yards. There's 200 right there. Last shot, I cut back to 3 ounces. Okay, this one here hit here, rolled there. There's 200 yards, and it was 49 paces short of 200 yards. There's probably about 150, 160 yards, I would guess. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.